Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about C# array equality. I have declared a bank holiday 1 variable with type of array datetime, and I have initialized with all the dates during 2021. Here is a question for you. Now I'm going to declare another variable of array datetime bank holiday 2 and initialize the value exactly the same as bank holiday 1. Then I'm going to compare bank holiday 1 with bank holiday 2. Using console.writeLN, I'm going to display the output. What do you think the result would be? Is it true or false? Okay, let's see the result. It returns false. Bank holiday 1 and bank holiday 2 are not equal. What do you think why the results are not equal? Is that surprise you? What made a compiler think that bank holiday 1 is not equal to bank holiday 2? Let's find out. Here is the missing part of the puzzle. Arrays are reference types. The bank holiday 1 is not equal to bank holiday 2. They contains the addresses of two different memory locations that points to the list of dates during 2021. Let's look at string equality. String bank holiday 1 name and string bank holiday 2 name are equal in this case. This is unusual scenario, but Microsoft overrode a default reference behavior for strings. That is why string 1 is equal to string 2. What if you want to test collection for value equality? We can achieve that using a Microsoft extension method sequenceEqual. Let's see how to do that. The highlighted code gives you the idea. We can compare the values using bank holiday 1 method sequenceEqual passing the bank holiday 2. Let's see the result. I can clearly see the equal values are true in this case, as opposed to the values which is directly compared the variables bank holiday 1 with bank holiday 2 as false. Let's talk about array assignment. I have declared a third variable bank holiday 3. I'm going to assign a bank holiday 1 to bank holiday 3, and I have displayed a 3 output as given in the screen. When I run this program, the output clearly shows that when you assigned bank holiday 3 to bank holiday 1, the results is true. It compares the values as the bank holiday 3 instance is having the same address of the reference type. The bank holiday 3 stores the address X, the same as bank holiday 1 store the address X. That is the reason the bank holiday 3 is equal to the array of datetime bank holiday 1. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.